3 of t-shirt making. Now we are going to take the two color separations that we have made and put them on two different layers. To put them on two different layers, we need to duplicate the layers and make sure there's two layers, and do not have any locked layers. Name one red, or whatever color you're going to cut them into, and I'm naming the other one black. Now I'm going to turn off the black layer and select the red layer, and then with the magic wand tool, select all the black and select similar. When I hit the delete key, all the black should go away. Now you'll notice that some of the black did not go away in these areas through here. So I'm going to select those individually by holding down the shift key. Hope I get more of them. And then again, I'm going to select similar. They must have been a slightly different color black. Now on my red layer, I only have red. Now I'm going to go to my black layer and select the red and do the same thing. So I only want black on my black layer, so I'm selecting the red, then I go select similar and hit the delete key. Now I made a mistake because I wasn't on my black layer. So that's one of the most common mistakes we make, is we have one selected and the other turned off. So I'm going to again select similar, hit the delete key, and again there's a few pieces that I missed because they were a slightly different color red. And now I have all the red off of my black layer, except for that dot. So when I turn them both on, they look at how they did it initially, but you'll notice that the gap exists between the two layers. On our two color sticker, that gap we filled in with a trap. On this project, we want that color of the substrate below it to show through to be part of the project. So now that I've got them on different layers, I need to make them ready for a sticker. And I'm going to go ahead and file save this, save it as two color Breaking Bad, and then I'm going to say color separated. Next, I'm just going to fill all the black in on the red layer. That's necessary so the vinyl cutter can recognize it as a vector graphic. So I'm going to select all, select similar, and this is a quick way to fill it in black. I'm going to get a great big huge paintbrush, and I'm just going to paint over it all after it's selected. And this is a little bit quicker than dumping all of those in those individual colors. You can see there's a few parts of those reds that I didn't get, so I can just go back with my paint bucket and pick those little pieces up. Now we still have to grayscale it so that the computer recognizes it as a vector graphic. If you grayscale it before, it will turn it gray and then the computer can't recognize gray. But if you grayscale it after you've made it black and don't merge and discard all the color, now the vector cutting machine will not go looking for that color graphic. So even though it's black and white, it still has to be grayscaled. The next section will show you how to save two separate documents before you cut.